Good afternoon everyone and greetings to everybody watching this video. Today gonna be a generic vlog. It's gonna start with me going for some grooming session. Basically I needed a haircut. It's been a while. I think last time it was on Feb 20th. Roughly I do it after every 20 days. I think we might go somewhere, hang around and all. Also I think Evander's gonna be coming with his bike, take a nice round of it. Neomis is a 10 on 10. I got a haircut as well as a head massage. This place is the best. My baba's name is Vikas. If you guys want to come here, come to Fan Gym, Mala, near the bus stand. I would rate the haircut and the massage 10 on 10. Right now I'm looking like a champu. That's because of the oil. Just call up Evander and Vaughn because they have gone to play pool and I might catch up with them.
What do you hit, what do you hit? You only knew, huh?
We finally played over here at Man Cave in Talegaon. The game was superb. These boys played PS5. When I came, they were playing pool. We played for more than an hour and the game was superb. After this, we are going to go and eat something. Currently, we are going to be waiting here for at least 15 minutes because Evander's Hot Wheels are coming. We waited. We waited.
Mine. The red one's yours.
15 minutes over here for these Hot Wheels. Why these people have some other level of craze for Hot Wheels.
We are the absolute diecast fans right now.
Sometimes it feels like these people talk about real cars, but then it's just about Hot Wheels. After getting the Hot Wheels, right now we are going to Sony Service Center because Vaughn and Evander gave their cameras for servicing. I'm just hungry, waiting so that we go pick up Mara and just go and eat so that I can show you guys also what we are eating, what gourmet food. We have finally come to that place. I hope the food is available because usually at around 7 o'clock is where most of the items are there, but now it's roughly around, I don't know, 9 o'clock or 8:30, 8:45. Hopefully there is food items so that we can fill up our stomach. Next to Cotton King, you have to come walk this side and most of the stuff will be available where you can go and eat. So this is the things that we have ordered right now. I think we should order for something more, yeah.
Yeah, we should.
I mean, I guess we'll just have this first and let's see.
Keep trying.
Damn
Keep trying,
right.
sir.
This is the beef item. Do the taste test. Taste test. It's hot and it's good.
Taste test, beef protein.
We have it with the chutney.
This is the
Chicken tikka.
chicken tikka.
Taste check with chicken tikka. Damn good.
Here's a tikka.
Marius.
Let's try this. I mean, the beef was always. Let's check.
Now it is my turn.
Oh.
Dip it in the chutney. It's good. 10 on 10. So now I'm going to taste the sikh kebab. I think it would taste better. I mean, if I eat it with chutney, it would taste better. Taste test.
What do you get? No.
It's the spot. 10 on 10. So Mario, how much would you rate the sikh kebab?
So good. The big one, right? Yeah, it's tasty, juicy, and it's 10 on 10.
Time to taste the shami kebab. Taste test. It's good. I love it. The next thing what we are trying is chicken lollipop. How is it?
Good. Very good.
What are you saying, bro?
Damn good, bro. The chicken lollipop. No, I said, do you want a chicken roll? Yeah, chicken roll.
I don't mind. Time
What's
to
this
do
white
the
thing?
chicken lollipop taste test.
What's the white dessert?
So it is crispy. But it is 7 on 10. So far it's still good.
So guys, this is the chicken roll, and we'll dip it in some chutney. It's hot, huh? Taste check.
Just finished having this amazing food over here in Panjim. Right now we are heading home. So the food, everything was 10 on 10. Also parceled few items so that we can go home and eat it with rice. But I don't think I'm gonna eat food at home. Let's see how it turns out. It's been a busy day today. I was not able to go to the gym also. It's fine. Monday onwards, I'm going to start with gymming. On and Evander just dropped me here next to Man Cave. I had kept my bike over here and had gone with them in the car. I actually completely forgot that I had parked my bike here and I wanted to ride Evander's Continental GT. I reached home and chilled for some time. Here is Evander's bike. He's got a new exhaust.
RRP. Red Roosters performance.
The sound on it is crazy, like crazy. 10 on 10, 10 on 10. It's my time to ride this now. So I'll just take a ride of this bad boy and then I'm going to rate the experience. It was amazing. The feel it gives you, the 650 bike, crazy. And the sound, wow, crazy bike bro, crazy.
Soothing.